guess we're wasting away again in Margaritaville. What an afternoon. I'm searching for my lost sugar salt. Salt, salt, salt. You know that some people claim that there's a woman to blame. But I know. I'm telling you, it's not my fault. How about you, John? It's your fault, baby. I should be leaving this climate. I've got a verse, I can't rhyme it. I gotta go where it's warm, yeah, it's warm. I said boat drinks, waitress, I need 2 more boat drinks. I'm in south for the drinks. I gotta go where it's warm. I gotta go where it's warm. I gotta go where it's warm. Yes, I do. I gotta go where there ain't any snow, where there ain't any blow. 'Cause my fancy's so low. I gotta go where it's warm. I wish I had a pencil-thin mustache, the Boston black ink eye. Yes, I do. A 2-tone, a regular Ricardo jacket, and an autographed picture of Andy Devine. Now I remember being buck to the skin. I'm writing fan letters to skies these penny low. I wish I had a pencil-thin mustache, then I could do some cruising too. You know, come along, man, we have lots of fun. Untie the line, we're gonna chase the sun. You guys ready? Let's go! I said, whoa, it's such a lovely ride. Whoa, with you by my side. Whoa, I just got to say, I wouldn't want it any other way. I said, yeah, man, here they come. No need to hurry, no need to run. Come along, man, we have lots of fun. Inside the line, we gonna chase the sun. Far from know we're gonna get this place buzzing. A kid folk come, see right on now down by the dozen. Dressed in style, we're gonna go home wild. I'll be on my home. A son of a gun, we're gonna have a little fun on the line. Let's go! Well, jambalaya, a little crawfish pie, a Philly gumbo. For tonight, I'm gonna see Mama Jeremy. We're gonna bring some guitars, fill through the jar, and we get home. Son of a gun, we're gonna have a little fun. Come on, John, go have some fun with it. John, push down. That's right. Well, now I've gotta say, the wind and the waves, and the moon is winking down at me. It eases my mind while leaving behind a heartache of the rain. Well, I've got a smile that goes on for miles with no information to own. And I've got to say that I think I'm more safe, 'cause this is feeling more like home. So bring me to Pina Colada. I want one for each hand. It's silly cat more, yeah. And never leave our land. Troubles I forgot, I buried them in the sand. So bring me to Pina Colada. to hurt your diamond back. Rain, 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 rain to pina coladas. I want one for each, and let's all set sail with Captain Morgan. Never leave dry land. I'll be too late. I've done a bit of smuggling. I've mowed my share of grass. I made enough money to buy Miami, but I missed it away so fast. Meant to last. Never meant to last. Drunk now for over 2 weeks. Passed out and around and I sprung a few weeks. But I've got to stop wishing. I've got to go fishing right down to right bottom again with just a few friends. Just a few friends. Thank you, all Wilmington friends. Thank you so much. If you wanna know, just let me go to that homebound on the range. That nice girl. Southern Island, I'm sailing to reach for the following sea, begging for the trades on the outside, on and down and right to Pompeii, across his range, on his heaven lies the Marquesas. We got 80 feet of a water. Yankee Doodle went to London just to ride a boat. I am that Yankee Doodle boy. So give my regards to Broadway. Remember me to Herald Square. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. Do you ever know, dear, how much I love you? Please don't take my sunshine away. Sell almost the money, walls to headed south and make. Oh, honey, rolling some sand with a rock and roll band. Somewhere down to Montserrat way. Now the money is too good for the season. It's too lighten up below. Boys keep our high as the months roll by. Get postcards from the road. Oh, can't you feel our clothes? I mean, honey, came here scooting around. We got friends to the left, friends to the right, and to the army in town.
to fly.